Hi everyone, I just want to quickly show you two different machines that does purees. This one is the KitchenAid Puree and Chopper. This one is the Braun immersion blender. I use this immersion blender all the time to puree soups. I used it a lot too when I used to make baby foods, to puree the baby food. This is my favorite one because you can stick it straight in the pot even though the stove is on. You just put it in the boiling soup, turn it on, and it will puree the soup even though it's on top of the stove. It's all stainless steel. This one does a pretty good job pureeing too if you have like guacs or baby foods. But the main difference is, of course, obviously you cannot put this in a pot. You have to transfer the food inside for you to puree it. Whereas this one, you can put it straight in a bowl, a pot, or whatever, and then you can puree it right there and then. This one is not like that, but they do have different pros and cons, but they mainly do purees, both same consistency, and they do great purees. I both use them when I used to make baby foods again, but they both do a great job doing purees. I highly recommend both of these depending on your preference, and they both are high quality and great tools to have in the kitchen.